Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you how to improve your speaking skill. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you should listen to me carefully sentence by sentence. Now, please listen to me carefully and repeat after me. Well, this hammer is made of iron. This hammer is made of iron. Well, the second thing is this bottle is made of glass. This bottle is made of glass. This bottle is made of plastic. This bottle is made of plastic. Well, the plate is made of glass. The plate is made of glass. This bowl is made of plastic. This bowl is made of plastic. Well, the envelope is made of paper. This envelope is made of this envelope is made of paper. This envelope is made of paper. This pen is made of plastic. This pen is made of plastic. This pencil is made of wood. This pencil is made of wood. Then this coin is made of metal. This coin is made of metal. Okay, now please listen to me carefully and answer my questions. What is this pen made of? What is this pen made of? What is this bottle made of? What is this bottle made of? What is this bottle made of? What is this hammer made of? What is this hammer made of? What is this bowl made of? What is this bowl made of? Then, what is this plate made of? What is this plate made of? What is this book made of? Okay, what is this book made of? Well, it's clear, right? I hope that this video is very useful for you. If you like it, you subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching.